Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Brawl Stars character. This time it's gonna be the very cool looking Dark Lord Spike. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is a pretty cool looking character. So we're going to start out by drawing his eyes first, and we're going to give it a mean look. So just 2 slants like this first, and then now just kind of draw a half circle right underneath the line there. Okay, and let me shade this in real quick so that it'll look a lot better. At least it will look a lot meaner. Alright, and then for the mouth, just come to the center of this. One little angle, so very simple. Okay, and then now for the shape of the head, just come out to the side right here. Just kind of draw like a little dome shape. Just kind of arc it right over the eyes. I'm going to stop right there. Come in. Just slant it in, and then close this off. Alright, so we're going to draw the collar later. Let's finish up the face right here. So right in the middle of this, just add a little angle again, like a little V. Draw a smaller V on top, and then just close that off with a straight line. Okay, and then we got to draw the hair. So just come out to the side right here. I'm just going to bracket up. Come back down, and then just one more little bump. It's very simple. Okay, and then one more detail. It's got that little spike right here. Same thing here. Okay, so now we can draw in the really big collar that he has. So right here, I'm going to continue with this line. Just go up, give a slight curve almost all the way to the top. From the top here, just curve down, and now we're going to curve all the way down back to here. So just come down, kind of follow this curve, and then make it a lot tighter at the end, just close that off. Okay, so just come down, follow this curve, and then just close it off. Okay, so that's the front part, and then the back side, we can see part of it. So we'll just draw a little curve on the back. Okay, so that's the head. And now let's move on to the body. It's got those big shoulder pads right here. So just draw 2 lines going out. Now pinch it back into the waist. And then just close that off. And then let's go ahead and finish up the shape of the body first, and then we'll add in all those little details. So let's come down here, just add one section. This is gonna be his belt. And it's kind of wrapped up, so I'm gonna add in just a couple of lines like this, so it looks like it's being wrapped around. Okay, and then continue it down. I'm just gonna flare this out. Come back to the middle. Curve down, and let's draw this going out a little bit more, just to give it a little bit more flow. Now I'm just gonna connect this. Let's give it a little bit of a wavy line. Okay, and then for the inside, just close that off. All right, so now let's add in some details right here to the chest. Got the little skull. So just come down, just add a little bracket like this. And then for the eyes of the skull, and draw 2 lines like this first. And then just make it a little bit thicker. A little bit sharper on the inside. And then the bottom right here, just gonna draw 2 little lines. Again, just make it a little bit thicker. All right, and then let's see, we can add in some of the details for the clothing here. So I'm just gonna follow this curve or this line on the outside. Same thing here on the bottom. One more on this side. And same thing here on the top. So we're following this edge. Okay, so whatever curve you have, just kind of follow it so it looks like you have a nice little border. Okay, so now let's draw in the arms, and it's got those, looks like it's got some big paddings right here. So I'm just gonna come out right here, just have it float out. Okay, so one curve like this first, and then just round off the bottom. Let's draw at this side, same thing. Round off the bottom. Okay, and then now I'm gonna draw in the arms. So right here, just connect that. And then here's the armpit. Come down, and then just go up, connect that. And we'll add one little line here. That's gonna be the strap for this. Okay, so close this off. Armpits right here. Come down to almost here. Close this off. One line here for the strap. All right, and then same thing here for the details. Just gonna add in another curve. And now we can finally draw in the hands, and let's see, we're gonna start with the thumb right here. Just one little hook. One little line across. And then now for the fingers, here's the back. Just round it up, close that off. And then for the other finger, just gonna add one little bump. All right, so same thing here. One hook for the thumb, and then one little line across. That's gonna be inside the palm. And now for the finger, start up here. Just round it up. And then same thing here for the other fingers. And that is it for this Dark Lord Spike. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.